Hello. Oh, it works. Cool. Right, 3 questions. Who are you? Who do you want to be? And what are you doing about it? Hi, I'm Jannis, and as Sir said, you've probably seen me in chapel. If you don't know me, hopefully by the end you will. I'm here to talk to you and spread some motivation and positivity with the upcoming accounting exams. Hopefully you can take one thing away from me, so I'll be happy. The things in life that are worthwhile are challenging. It's meant to be hard. If you are struggling, if you are thinking of giving up, if you are going through hell, keep going. You are on the right track if you're suffering. Now keep going until you succeed. Can everybody here raise their hand? Everybody here raise their hand. Now raise a little higher. Notice how you give 100 the first time. That we sometimes unintentionally limit ourselves from reaching our potential. And that's okay. Now we've all failed. We are all human. That's okay. And we've all done an exam, and we've all failed. But no one wants to fail. But failure is an investment for success. We cannot win without having these setbacks. For example, answering a maths question. It will take you 10 tries before you can answer it. So if you fail once, you're only 9 tries away from beating it. We often don't know when we will succeed. But as long as you have vision, and you stay focused and you believe in yourself, eventually you will get your reward. And these setbacks are there to separate the people who kind of want it from the people who are willing to do whatever it takes to reach their goals. They are disciplined and take sacrifices to be where they want to be. So no matter how difficult something is, as long as you keep fighting, you will get your reward. And sometimes all you need to do is fix what's in between your ears. Your most powerful asset, your mind. People who say that they can't do something and the people that say that they can do something are both usually right. People who say that they can't do something and people that say that they can do something are both usually right. You have the tools. All you need to do is get on with it. And the bottom line is, no one's coming. No one. No one's coming to push you. No one's coming to do the effort for you. No one's coming to do the work for you. It's up to you. You have your friends and family supporting you. But at the end of the day, you're doing it for yourself. And sometimes you don't have a choice. You just have to do the hard work. And especially with the exams on the horizon, you need to put in the effort. You need to actually go in your room, shut the door, and see yourself doing the work. And it's not going to be fun. You're not going to like it. And you have to actually go through the process of failing over and over and over again. Champions are made when no one is watching. And if you want that grade bad enough, the work becomes irrelevant. But we are all capable of getting through this tough time. Absolutely everybody. Sometimes all you need to do is find that extra gear, find that 8th gear, the gear you didn't know you had, and just do the hard work. And you have to go through the pain now and enjoy the success later. And if you want to force yourself to succeed, you need to do the things you don't want to do. You don't want to go run, go run. You don't want to go gym, go. And you don't want to go study, go study. And you're going to feel like doing it. You're never going to feel like doing it. To get you to start moving. I'm not going to say that you can't, because I'm saying to each and every one of you that you can make it happen. Tell yourself, I can, I can, I can, I can. That's how you make a change. No one who gave 100% regretted it. No one who gave 100% regretted it. So when you fail once, twice, or even 10 times, that doesn't define you. You have to fail. Every time you fail, you're one step closer to reaching that goal. And once you reach that goal, you will thank yourself for not giving up. People don't remember every time you fail. They remember the times when you succeed. Here's a good quote by Michael Jordan. I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games, and 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. So even though he's missed so many times, he's still one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He's failed and failed and failed over and over and over again, and that's why he's successful. So last half term, some of us have done our mocks, we've all done an exam before, and we've all received a grade that we were not happy with. And this dissatisfaction comes at a different level for all of us. But when you do get that dissatisfaction, tell yourself these 3 words. Can't change it. Can't change it. Now, you have the opportunity to learn from your mistakes and practice what you do moving forward. But what's wrong with failing? It's the only way to learn. This is because failure is the best teacher in life. And as long as you've tried your very best, every result that comes from it is good. The biggest regret in life is the regret of your own wasted potential. The biggest regret in life is the regret of your own wasted potential. So don't let that happen to you. You know, I'll tell you something. I almost didn't come up here today to give this speech. Because in front of me, I can see the most motivated and driven people I've ever met in my life. Seriously. So why have I bothered to come up here today? It's because life's too short. It's too short to not make it. It's too short to not make the best of our opportunity. Life is going to move very fast now. And before you know it, we'll have done our exams and we'll be going on our separate ways. So enjoy it while you can. Make something positive of every moment. Let's say at the start of each day you get £86,400. And by the end of the day it's gone, whether you like it or not. And the next day you get another £80,400. You would do everything in your power to spend that money. Because you know at the end of the day, you're getting another £86,400. This is because we have 86,400 seconds in a day. Something positive. And the bad day is coming for all of us, whether you like it or not. So if one thing upsets you, don't let that ruin the rest of your day. Life is 10% what happens to you, 90% what you do about it. So I want you to now look around. Give each other a smile. Well, give each other a smile. Look at us all. We're all in here. Smiling is the most contagious thing anyone can do. Look, everyone's smiling now. Everyone's in a... Excellent. Smiling is the most contagious thing anyone could do. It's difficult not to smile back. Before I go, I want you to do these 3 things for me. 1, give yourself a compliment. 2, give someone else a compliment. And 3, help someone else. I'll start. Charlie Wood, top man. Thank you for setting up the chairs this morning. I'll give myself a compliment. And I'll tell you now, I forgot some of my lines. Everyone's standing in front of me, everyone's looking. But I got my way back. That's okay. And I'm going to help someone else today by putting the chairs away. So now your turn. That's it from me. Thank you.